Have you ever stopped to wonder, where did potatoes actually come from? I'm not talking about the supermarket or your grandma's pantry. I mean, really, how did potatoes even exist in the first place? Well, scientists have been digging into that question for years, and now, breakthrough study published in Cell, we finally have some answers. Potatoes weren't always potatoes. Nearly 9 million years ago, in the wilds of South America, there was a natural plant mix-up that changed history. Ancient tomato plants, and yes, the same family that brings us ketchup, met up with a mysterious group called Etuberosum. These Etuberosum look sort of like potatoes, but they couldn't grow those iconic underground tubers. So how did we get from these non-tuber plants to the spud we all love today? It all comes down to genes. Scientists from China's Agricultural Genomics Institute examined over 450 potato genomes and 56 wild species. And what they found is, every single potato, no matter where it's from, is a genetic mashup between those ancient tomatoes and Etuberosum cousins. Here's the real kicker. There are two superstar genes that made potatoes possible. The first, called SP6A, comes from the tomato side. It basically acts like a green light telling the plant, hey, it's time to form tubers. The second, called IT1, hails from Etuberosum and helps those tubers actually grow underground. Without both, no potato. So why did this hybrid happen? Around the same time, the Andes Mountains were rising fast. The climate was changing, the air was thin, and survival wasn't easy. But tubers made all the difference. They let potatoes store energy deep underground, safe from the unpredictable weather up top. And unlike most plants, potatoes can just grow new plants straight from their tubers, no seeds required. That let them spread fast, taking over landscapes across Central and South America. For centuries, potatoes have been a staple food, but nobody really understood their true origin. This new research finally connects the dots. The humble spud is the ultimate survivor, born from a 9 million-year-old family reunion between tomatoes and Etuberosum. So, next time you dig into some fries or mash, just remember, you're eating the product of a natural experiment that changed the world. Science really is delicious.